Welcome to English Podcast Academy, where we make learning English easy and fun. Hello, my lovely students. Today we are going to talk about how to expand your English vocabulary naturally. Many learners ask me, how can I remember more words? How can I speak without pausing to search for vocabulary? The answer is simple. You need to learn vocabulary in context and use it daily. When you learn a new word, don't just memorize the meaning. Learn it in a sentence. Learn it with emotion, and learn it with purpose. For example, don't just learn the word happy. Say, I feel happy when I learn new things. I was so happy to see my friend. This song makes me happy. When you connect a word with a feeling or a real situation, your brain remembers it better. Reading and listening are the best ways to grow your vocabulary naturally. Choose something you enjoy. Read short stories, listen to podcasts, watch simple videos. While listening or reading, try to guess the meaning of new words from the context. This is how native speakers learn. After that, you can check the dictionary, but only after trying to understand it first. This trains your brain to think in English. Another method is to group words by topic. For example, if you're learning about food, learn words like hungry, delicious, recipe, cook, restaurant. Then try to use these words together in one story or one paragraph. This creates connections in your mind and helps you remember faster. Also, don't try to learn too many words at once. Focus on 3 to 5 words per day. Use them in speaking and writing. You can write a short diary entry with the new words or say them out loud in a few sentences. For example, I was hungry, so I went to a restaurant. The food was delicious. I want to learn the recipe and cook it myself. Simple, clear, and natural. And finally, repeat, repeat, repeat. Repetition is the key to long-term memory. Review old words regularly. Mix them with new ones. Talk to yourself using them. Make English part of your life. So remember, learn in context, use words emotionally, read and listen daily, group words by topic, and repeat often. This is how you grow your vocabulary naturally and speak English with confidence. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, comment using one of your favorite new words, and subscribe for more. Check out our playlists to keep practicing. You're doing great, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.